Hello there YouTubers, and welcome to another DrCassette video. Now, I have seen a lot of videos here on YouTube where people put their keyboards into the dishwasher in order to clean them. Now, I do have some pretty damn filthy keyboards lying around, so I thought today we're going to try that out. And here are our test candidates. We have a Cherry keyboard, brand name keyboard that I found at the dump. And I'm going to clean that because you can never know what the previous owners did with that. Yeah. Then we have this keyboard that I had just lying around. It's kind of filthy, so that's going to go into the dishwasher as well. And here we have the most special keyboard out of the three. This is a high screen keyboard. It's rather old. Found that at a thrift store, and it seems to be a cheapo version of the IBM Model M clicky keyboard. It does have a clicky effect to it, so that's why I got it. And problem is, that thing is absolutely filthy, nasty and disgusting, so that's gonna go into the dishwasher as well. And there they are in the dishwasher. Have that no-name keyboard up there. That's the Cherry keyboard, and that's the clicky keyboard. High screen keyboard. Now, I have no idea how much of the cleaning powder I should take, so I guess we'll go with half a spoon. Put that in there. Close it and close the dishwasher. Okay, we're gonna try to turn the temperature down as far as it'll go. 50 degrees. It also has something where it says save, and it has something where it says pre-wash, but I guess that's not what we want. So, well, turn it on and, well, press start. And there it goes, and I guess we'll have another look when it's done. Okay, you may or may not be able to see, it's now in the process of drying. So I guess we're gonna stop it now because as far as I know, it heats up itself in there quite extensively, and I don't want to have melted keyboards. So, the moment of truth. Ooh, I have a lot of smoke. Not smoke. Something coming out of there. Okay. The keyboards are still in one piece. I guess that's good news. It's quite warm in here. Stinks like electronics. I guess I have to... Oh shit. I guess my parents are gonna find out about that. Not good. Okay, now this keyboard... keys are still kind of discolored. But, that's nice and clean, I can tell you that much. Now we don't have all that grease on there anymore. I'll put that into the sink for right now. And now, it's hot in here. It's hot in here. But, oh my goodness. There is a lot of water coming out of there. I guess you better put them in there this way. Anyway, the Cherry keyboard seems to be almost intact. As you can see, there's still some dirt coming out of there along with all the water. Now, let's take a look at the most important keyboard. Also, that has extensive amounts of water. Extensive amounts of water in there, but of course the plastic is still kind of discolored, kind of yellowed. but it is still intact, and I was kind of worried because this high screen logo right there, you can't really see it. There it goes, it's in focus. This high screen logo used to be red, and I cleaned it. I tried cleaning the keyboard the regular way, and the color just rubbed off, so I was really afraid that the red color of those keys would come off, and the green color. Oh, you see something? This keyboard doesn't have the Windows keys. Huh. Isn't that interesting? Anyway, now I want to take these out and let them dry, and then we're going to see if they're still working. And here we are a couple of months later, and I'm happy to report that at least this Cherry keyboard, which is the only keyboard I've tested so far out of that batch, is still working absolutely perfectly fine. And it's really nice, really clean, and just a pleasure to work with. So, hope you've enjoyed this video, and see you again soon.